we divide 630 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 630 divided by 5 is 126. So this much for today and thanks for watching.